Do you want to learn how to delete your account on DeepSeek AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem on both browser and mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So for our browser, let's head over to deepseek.com, and on here, click on Start Now. You'll be taken over to this page where you will be logged in. If you're not logged in, do a login. And on the bottom left, you're going to find My Profile. Click on it and then click on Settings in this pop-up. Now click on Profile, and here you'll find that there is an option to delete account. Just click on Delete over here, and then it's going to give you another pop-up. You need to enter in this text, delete my account. Just type it here and then confirm delete my account. Click on it, and it's going to confirm that your account has been deleted successfully and you'll be logged out. Now let's do the same thing on DeepSeek Mobile. So first, open the app. Now on the top left, you're going to find these two lines. Click on it. And now on the bottom, you're going to find your profile. Click on this. Now it's going to take you over to this page, which is your profile settings. Now, if you look down, you'll find delete account. Click here. Now it's going to give you this pop-up. Click on delete, and it says account is now deleted. When we did the same thing on browser, it was asking us to type something, delete my account, in order to delete the account. In here, it was just a simple process. Not sure why they do it like this, but yeah, this is how it is. And that's it. This is how to delete your account on DeepSeek AI on your browser and mobile. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.